Simula sa NBA superstar na nagpakitang gilas sa harap ng girlfriend ng kanyang dating teammate hanggang sa player na naka-score off the court. Ito ang mga NBA players na nag-beast mode dahil sa may magandang babae courtside. Simulan natin kay LBJ dahil nang makaharap nito ang dating teammate na si Kyle Kuzma ay present na nanonood ang girlfriend ng Wizard superstar.
Now the Porzingis, good play by Russ. Double teaming, shovel it to LeBron. Here he comes. LeBron James! Throw it down!
LeBron, they're loving it here at Crypto.com.
Grabe yung tingin ni LBJ. Pero mas grabe ang nangyari after nyan.
Department last year, although clutch games haven't been great. LeBron steps into that one! Into the game here in the fourth quarter. LeBron now trying to back up. Clock's down to 3. LeBron over Kuz!
Kuz looked at LeBron and said, man, you did that to me in practice a lot. Now you're doing it in the game.
The march so far for LeBron.
There it is. 50.
He
Another
put up
nickel.
a 50!
Inispot mo na yung girlfriend ng kalaban mo. Umiscore ka pa ng 50 sa laban. At sa ating susunod na moment, si Kobe Bryant naman ang nag-beast mode nang makitang nanonood courtside ang American actress na si Halle Berry.
I'm a big Laker fan, that's for sure. A big Laker fan.
And who are your favorite players?
Kobe.
Kaya nang ma-realize ni Kobe na nasa courtside ang actress, oras na para i-activate ang kanyang pagiging Black Mamba.
Higher, obviously, with Shaq not shooting.
Kobe digging his way inside. What a play by Kobe Bryant.
On the road, chance to win here in Dallas.
This is the third and final meeting this season between the two. Bryant. Oh, what a play! Bryant with his 31st point tonight. Nowitzki had knocked away by Kobe Bryant, and the Lakers have numbers. Bryant and Jermaine Jones, and Bryant puts it down.
Pakitang gilas talaga si Kobe that night. At kung pagandahan lang ng performance, every time na may magandang babae courtside, ay dito na ako kay Jordan Poole. Dahil nang makaharap ng Warriors ang Hornets, tila may naispatan na babae ang player na ito.
For 7 on 3s, but a big one there. Poole to the rim.
LaMelo Ball was on the weak side. He was the only one that could help it. He was still focused on the official, trying to complain to get a foul.
What a move by Jordan Poole. Every which way but... Shot clock's down to 6. Poole, the spin. Kuminga!
Alam na alam talaga ni Jordan Poole kung kailan i-activate ang kanyang charisma mode. Pero tila hindi pagpapa-impress ang ginawa ni KD nang makita niya courtside si Rihanna. Pero bago ang lahat, ang videong ito ay hatid sa atin ng 1xBet, ang #1 legit betting site na pwede kang tumaya at manalo kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Mag-register lang gamit ang iyong number at gamitin ang ating promo code at maaari ka nang makakuha ng up to 7,000 bonus sa una mong deposit. Dito ay pwede kang tumaya sa mga paborito mong NBA games at sa iba pang sports. Pwede ka na rin tumaya sa ibang laro tulad ng slot at card games. Pinadali na din ang pag-cash in at cash out through GCash. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-click mo na ang link sa comment section to register. Dahil ang singer ay hindi fan ng Warriors, kaya gagawin niya ang lahat para asarin si KD. But instead, ganito ang nangyari.
40-some games, 40-some days.
Alley-oop three to Durant.
Pass up some good veterans on the bench.
Pass all the way across, and Durant throws it down. Here's Durant across the lane.
Off the steal. Here comes Curry. Finds Durant. Durant for 3.
Shut up ka na lang daw kasi at manood dyan. Isunod naman natin ng maispatan ni JaVale, ang isang babae courtside.
Off the mark. Look at McGee. Hustling into the front row.
Teka, bakit mo hinalikan lola ko? Pero di bale, dahil ang kiss na yun pala ang magpapalabas ng talent ni McGee.
With McGee going to the line. In front of the rim. That's still pretty. So the lob.
Kiss lang pala ni lola ang kailangan mo. Pero tila ibang-iba ang nangyari kay Jimmy Butler noong kasagsagan ng NBA bubble.
Well, last week, during the quarantine period, the hotel that the Miami Heat were staying at, a security guard received a complaint of disturbance. There was a loud thumping going on. And who opened the door? It was Miami Heat forward Jimmy Butler, drenched in sweat.
Bakit naman kaya pawis na pawis si Jimmy sa kwarto? Ikaw girl, alam mo ba?
The same thing, a high level of competition. I keep it at that for now, and keep it at basketball.
I'm asking you the question.
And I appreciate that.
I care
but
deeply, Jimmy.
Thank you.
Are the Miami Heat winning game 2?
Yeah.
How did I know you were going to say that?
I mean, you just know me oh so well, right?
Ako lang ba? O pati kayo nakakahalata na? Pero mukha namang nakatulong ito kay Jimmy Butler dahil sa Game 3 ng NBA Finals ay nagpakita ito ng isang legendary performance.
With the steal down the other end, they throw it ahead to Butler, and Butler throws it down. And Frank Vogel calls timeout. Butler drives and finishes. Jimmy Butler, 17 points, 6 assists, 6 one-on-one. Butler backs in. That fall-away shot is up and good. 34 for Butler. It's an 8-point lead. And Butler the drive, the runner, he banks it in. Oh, what a masterpiece from Jimmy Butler.
Kaya siguro ginagalingan para ma-interview pagkatapos.